In this video, I'll show you how to fix an Acer laptop keyboard that suddenly stops working. First, right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the Keyboard section. Here, you should see your keyboard driver, usually listed as Standard PS2 keyboard. Right-click on the keyboard driver and select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall again to confirm. Once the driver has been removed, restart your Acer laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall the keyboard driver during startup. After the restart, check whether your keyboard is working properly. If the issue still continues, try performing a battery reset. Turn your Acer laptop upside down and look for a small battery reset pinhole on the bottom panel. If your laptop has this pinhole, insert a paperclip or a similar tool and hold it for about 5 seconds. This will reset the laptop's internal battery and may resolve keyboard-related issues. If your laptop does not have a battery reset pinhole, or if the problem persists, shut down the laptop completely. Unplug the charger and disconnect all external devices. Now press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. This will drain any residual power from the system. After that, reconnect the charger and turn on the laptop. Once Windows loads, test the keyboard again. That's it. These are the most effective ways to fix an Acer laptop keyboard that is not working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.